The numbers that I made up about those cancer things were just, like I said, just made up numbers. But then I dug around a little bit and I found an actual research paper written by a doctor with the intent of teaching other doctors about Bayes' rule. And in the paper were some actual case studies. So I pulled one of those out and I was really just like thrilled to find like actual real numbers, not these made up numbers, for cancer. This is actual real numbers. So the case study was the patient comes to doctor's office and has a chronic cough and an occasional spout of breathlessness, so they can't catch their breath. So a biopsy is performed on the patient, but this biopsy either indicates that they have lung cancer, which is, of course, not a good thing to have, or a benign thing called sarcoidosis. So the biopsy doesn't tell you which one you have, just that you have one or the other of these things. So either you're totally normal, you don't have any condition, and you're just, you just have a cough and, you're occasionally breathless, or you have lung cancer, or you have sarcoidosis. And then we've got this test that either comes back positive or negative. Based upon an analysis of the overall population, we know that the probability that you don't have either of these two conditions is 0.991. The probability of having lung cancer is 0.001, and the probability of having sarcoidosis is 0.008. And the probability of the biopsy coming back positive, given that you don't have anything going on, is 0.002. The probability of having a positive biopsy, given that you have lung cancer, is 0.9. And the probability of a positive test, given that you have sarcoidosis, is 0.95. And so what we want to know is, if the test comes back positive, what's the probability of lung cancer? And if the test comes back positive, what's the probability that you have sarcoidosis? The treatment for lung cancer is, of course, highly invasive and not really that great, and the prognosis isn't too good if you have it. And the treatment for sarcoidosis is a round of antibiotics. Okay, so we want to know, what's the probability of lung cancer given a positive biopsy? So Bayes' rule, plugging in the Bayes' rule, we have the probability of a positive biopsy given you have lung cancer times the probability of cancer over the probability of a positive biopsy. So to figure out the top, well, we have some of those numbers. So we have some of these numbers. The probability of a positive given that you have lung cancer is 0.9. The probability of having it is 0.001. And then the probability of a positive test is where we need that decision tree. Okay, so you have some kind of disease here, and it's either going to be normal, or cancer, or sarcoidosis, and we got numbers for that. We got 0.991 and 0.001 and 0.008. And then you got this test. And that's going to come back either positive or negative. Okay, probability of positive given normal is 0.002. Probability of positive given cancer is 0.9. And the probability of positive given S, sarcoidosis, is 0.95. And then we can figure out those other numbers. This one here is 0.998. This one is 0.1. And this one is 0.05. So the probability of a positive test, this branch, or this branch. 0.991 times 0.002, that's this branch right here, plus 0.001 times 0.9, plus 0.008 times 0.95. But you go ahead and multiply and add, and then you get, top is 0.0009, and the bottom is 0.010482. And then if you actually do the division, you get 0.0859. So biopsy comes back positive and there is almost a 9% chance that you have lung cancer, which seems pretty high, like, 1 out of 10 chance. But let's work out the other possibilities here. So this one, again, we plug it into Bayes' rule. So we have all those numbers. This is going to be a quick calculation. Probability of plus given S is 0.95. Probability of S is 0.008. And the probability of plus, we've already worked that out, 0.010482. And we get 0.0076 over 0.010482. And this comes out to 0.725. Patient walks into the hospital or doctor. Doctor runs this biopsy. Biopsy comes up positive. There is a 0.09 probability that they have lung cancer and a 0.72 probability that they have sarcoidosis. What's the treatment plan? So I guess if I was a doctor in this situation, what I would do is, first of all, I would not schedule the patient for invasive lung cancer surgery. What I would do is probably give them a round of antibiotics and say, come back in 2 weeks and let me know how you feel. If it cleared it up, good. You had sarcoidosis, go home.